They find a curious monkey going through the exploring caves. I saw him in the fellow monkey cave, and I taught him how to swing his arms, and now he's using it to his advantage. These monkeys are interacting with each other. Look at these fellow monkeys navigate between the branches and the caves. These monkeys are very curious monkeys. Very curious. They try to go up to high places, like this one. Very curious monkeys. I don't know why I'm here. I just found these random two monkeys in a public lobby. Subscribe for public. Oh, the monkeys have figured out how to make it through the jungle. No, monkey. The monkey has fell. Monkey says it's no use. This is too high. There's another monkey, a fellow black monkey. He says he waves his hand curiously to interact with the other monkey. Monkey is stuck. Okay, just to say I wasn't being racist. Okay. Goodbye. The monkey snaps his neck and continues to walk through his environment. As a curious, possessed monkey returns back to normal. Look. Just gonna good. Snaps his neck and goes for a trip. Right for part 2. A monkey needs medical help. What the heck? The monkey has lost control. Okay. Tries to trouble. Monkey, look, do this. Crouch on the walls. Monkey is learning. Look, monkey. So, bounce. Monkey is learning how to play. Bounce. Or if you want to do it, there's another way. You can keep monkey needed. Look. Monkey is learning. Monkey uses his skills and makes it. Now monkey, follow me. Monkey, follow me, monkey. Monkey, follow me. Try not to fall. Now look, you want to do the big jump. Boom, and then make it up here. Monkey, this close. Monkey, can you talk? Talk. Monkey, can you talk? You got to do monkey like this. Boom. Monkey! Oh, monkey made it. Boom! Monkey, 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 monkey. You made it. Okay, do this with your controller. And hold it down. Now, I'm gonna grab you. Now you made it. Now follow me. Grab. Now just stay onto my hand, monkey. Monkey, grab onto my hand. The only thing to do with you is set you out to the wild. Now go enjoy life. Go, monkey. I won't be with you, but bye.